Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for global university programs with University of Colorado step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official University of Colorado website. Look for the section dedicated to global university programs. Click on the link to access information about the available programs. Review the list of programs offered to find one that suits your interests. Once you've chosen a program, read through the eligibility requirements carefully. Ensure that you meet all the prerequisites for your selected program. Locate the application button or link on the programs page. Click on the application link to start the registration process. Provide the requested personal information, such as your name, contact details, and date of birth. Upload any required documents, such as transcripts or letters of recommendation. Review your application carefully to ensure all information is accurate and complete. Once satisfied, submit your application through the online portal. You will receive a confirmation email acknowledging your submission. Keep an eye on your email for any further instructions or updates from the university. If needed, follow any additional steps outlined in the communication received. Prepare for any interviews or additional assessments that may be part of the selection process. Once accepted, follow the instructions provided for enrollment and orientation. Congratulations on your successful registration for a global university program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.